Continue from where we have stopped. Let's talk about the time limit for claims. Claims. Suppose there is damage incident. Now, it is not necessary that the damage happens at the time of incident. The damage can happen afterwards. There's certain damage will happen afterwards. Uh, so, a claim or an action should be brought within 3 years of the damage. And another, this is one limit to come up with a action or a claim against owner. Another is the incident. No claim or no action can be brought after 6 years of the after 6 years of incident. These are the two time limits. Now we will talk about fund convention. So these conventions are all linked. Fund convention. Now, fund convention is actually a supplementary convention to the CLC convention. This is IOPC, International Oil Pollution Compensation Funds, IOPC. Fund convention. Suppose if the owner, after an incident, the owner unable to pay, or the compensation of the claim exceeds the limit. The claim exceeds the limit which for that particular ship. Then the extra claim or the extra amount will be paid by the from the fund convention or from the fund. As per the fund convention, they have created the IOPC, International Oil Pollution Compensation Fund. So this extra amount will be paid by the IOPC, International Oil Pollution Compensation Fund. The maximum amount which they have collected for a particular incident is maximum is 203 million SDR. 203 million SDR. So this fund, this IOPC, International Operation Compensation Fund, is actually created not from the owner. It is created from the buyers. The buyers, one who buys more than 1,50,000 tons of oil per calendar year, is actually given their contributions. Depends upon the amount of oil they buys. So they give their compensations, and this fund, International Oil Pollution Compensation Fund, is created. This is maximum compensation for a particular incident is 203 million SDR. Then another thing is a supplementary fund protocol. Suppose if the claim which exceeds this fund international that is 203 million SDR, then which that exceeding amount shall be covered by the supplementary fund protocol. It is adopted in 2003 and entered into force in 2005. So it gives an additional compensation beyond the 2003, and this maximum is 750 SDR. This is the maximum amount. Not 750, 700 million SDR. That is the maximum amount which which is covered as per the supplementary fund protocol. This is the fund is actually created the same way as by the fund convention or international occupation prevention fund compensation fund, so not prevention. Uh, by the fund is created by the companies which buys the oil. Uh, there is one. Instead, there it is 1.5 lakhs. Then here it is 1 million tons. 1 million tons. Whoever, whichever company buys 1 million tons, they have to give their own contribution. Depends upon the more than at least more than 1 million tons. Then they have to give their own contribution towards the supplementary fund. These are the basic fund protocol. These are the basic compensation uh, conventions. The one is CLC, another is fund convention, and supplementary fund convention. These three are the main oil pollution uh, claim oil pollution conventions, which define the liability, and also how these claims shall be need to be paid, which these conventions define all these things.